Well, it's the last Wednesday of the season. And I'm walking in the pond, which is a good sign. It means we drew a resi, which is fabulous. Praise God for that. So, we're headed, let's see, found it. Hopefully we can make something happen. Look at those birds out there, just sitting underwater. See them?
Yeah.
Shoot again. There he goes, going down. She's got it, she's got it, she's got it.
Good girl.
One more behind it. Kill this one. Kill him. Hey! Stoned him high!
Touch him up.
Touch him up!
Touch him
Touch him up! Junie! Touch him up! Good girl! What happened?
That was the hand right there. Yeah.
Yeah, that was the funny thing on Saturday. We had
Jason told me you got the hens.
hey, yeah, we had all drakes, and the last two ducks we needed were we just wanted drakes, and the last two ducks we shot were hens.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, what are these two?
Hey, right at your end. Yeah, that one's me.
Who?
That one was me, I think. That cinnamon.
Good girl.
Look at that. See, it's
Man,
smashed. What?
Dang it, all our brush. Gone.
Junie?
Great Junie.
Here. We can grab, yeah, just grab it back. There you go. Dude, what? I didn't kill those.
They were coming closer still, that's why I'm saying wait.
Is this teal?
Yeah, they were coming closer still.
Dude, that widgeon right there wanted to come. Even after getting shot at.
Look at them all, look at them all. This four right here, ready? Ready? Kill him, kill him.
That was awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, I've done about it.
That was awesome. Dude, so many widgeon.
Oh, dude, people. You lose your dog.
So many widgeon.
Drop it.
Crazy.
Drop it. Yeah. Touch him up.
Wait for the widgeon, wait for the widgeon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Nice.
Good stuff.
Okay, kill him.
Front one. You hit him. I heard it hit him. Dude.
What the heck?
They're doing what that guy said.
Okay,
Hey, Clay.
we're done. We're done with missing.
Stay. Stay.
We've had too many big, nice birds come in here we just whiffed on. It's not that, we're not letting that happen again. Nice! Touch him up! Well, they're definitely coming in, the widgeon.
Hold it.
Kill him. That one. I already hit that one bad. He's gonna go down. He's going down. Nope.
Yep, there you go.
Yep, I knew I hit him.
Here.
We shot 3?
No, 2.
2? Did she get one already?
She got one and she's going to get that other one
With it in her mouth?
In her mouth.
Oh, she dropped. That's it right there.
Oh, there it is. That's it.
So savage right now. Jacob, how many shells do you have? 3 in your gun and?
3 in my gun.
That's it?
Yeah. Only 5.
No, here.
I have one too.
I can always go back. It's so close. We have bikes.
I know, but we're almost done.
We're almost done. That's true.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
You got it.
So we have 3 more. 3 more right here in front. Right here in front. No, those aren't. Those are water birds.
Those are teal coming out. We don't want to shoot those.
How can you see that?
Because I can tell.
I can't even tell.
You can see by the size.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, I don't care. He's usually right. Hey! Is that a hen?
I don't even know.
I think so. I think that's the drake. 2 more.
Oh my gosh.
Dude,
What time is it?
it's 7:15.
No, it's a drink. Yeah, good girl.
Nah, young one.
Oh my god.
Hey, right here. Kill him, kill him.
Oh, I got him. We got 2. I got
That's
that.
it, we're done then. Oh,
Are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. In fact, I'm totally serious.
What?
Nice shooting, guys. Praise God.
it up at the
You know
end.
what's funny?
We cleaned it up. At
When you were like, when you were like, hey, where are you going? And we were messaging yesterday. I was like, man, it would be so awesome if we could get.
When I messaged you,
That
Look
guy
at him, look at
got
him. Look at her. She's picked it up.
I told her to go, so she marked it. Oh my god.
We had a decent day today. We got 21 birds in 36 minutes. South Grasslands.
Heck yeah.
Well, don't forget to like and subscribe, everybody. And I have lots of content just waiting for me to edit. So be prepared for plenty of videos to come.